Okay, guys, what we have here is some asparagus and the sirloin beef steaks. And my nephew is in the background. Now look.
Not being an asshole.
Yeah, not tonight, you ain't. Okay, look at the potatoes, guys. I got some onion in here as it boils, and you see a little herb, a little fresh herb. Now this is the oil for the shrimp. These are triple battered. What is it called? Tiger shrimp?
I think so.
Okay, yeah, my nephew found them when we went to the local market, and he was like, "Wow, that shrimp is huge, Aunt Dee Dee." And then he was like, "I love you." And after that, we picked up the shrimp, and I double breaded it with this right here. All right.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show y'all what everything look like when it's finished. This is kind of a healthy meal, but I'm doing it partially healthy because my nephew fat. He ain't fat.
Yeah.
Well, he ain't fat with the body, but he a fatty. Guys, look at the potatoes. I'm in the final process of the final steps of getting dinner completed. I got my jumbo shrimp inside the grease. Look what my nephew did, guys. Oh my goodness, look at all these beautiful strawberries he made. Oreos and Chips Ahoy, and we got some sweet peanuts. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm about to try this shrimp for the first time. Let's see how it tastes. It's pretty big too. Oh man, that batter on there, sheesh your piece. I seasoned this just right. Tay, shut up. Okay guys. Deontay, you gotta try that. That shit was good. And I cooked it just right. God damn, it tastes like chicken. It tastes like chicken from the sea. This chicken from wow, I don't even need any sauce on there. I'm dead serious, bruh.